Hello everyone, I'm the native speaker of the Chinese. I'm living in China, so I will share my knowledge about Chinese, how to write it and how to say it. Okay, today I will show you how to write it and say it about the country of Russia. Yes, the biggest country in the world, the Russia. Okay, I will move to my pad to write it in Chinese. Okay, now let's go. Okay, first I write it in English. Russia, R-U-S-S-I-A, Russia. Then how to write it in Chinese? Russia, which means 俄罗斯 俄罗斯 which means Russia, 俄罗斯 I write in 拼音 俄罗斯俄罗斯 which means Russia, 俄罗斯 俄罗斯 which is the biggest country in the world. You can practice to write it again. 俄罗斯 Practice makes perfect. See you next time. Bye bye.